Hello, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be creating a news channel. Really, yes. And with this new channel, you'll be able to make this amount every month. Now, the only thing is just that you are not going to make this overnight, but if you can be consistent and follow everything I'm going to be teaching you in this video, you are going to be in a very great route, guys. So how do we do? Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, there are some certain set of tools that we're going to be using. You don't really need to cook up every of these things yourself. You just need to, follow all of these tools. So the first tool you are going to be using is, we are going to be needing ChatGPT. We are going to be needing a tool, Google Trend, because we're going to be creating a news channel, and also you are also going to be needing some certain other things that I'll be telling you later. So let's get started. First, we need to get our content right. I'm going to assume that you already have a YouTube channel and you're looking for what to do. Okay, so I will assume that you already have a YouTube channel and you've already designed you already have your template ready. You've set up your keywords and everything. So but if you did not really have all of this set up already, if you want me to tell you how to get this done, just drop it in the comment. I'm going to release a video on how to rank your YouTube channel, how to set it up, SEO, everything, how to design it and everything. So if you're having issues with it, just tell me. I'm going to actually let you know, guys. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, as I've said, we need to get our content right. So let's go to Google Trend. We are going to be using some certain set of tools. We are going to be using Google Trends. We are going to be using not just Google Trends. We are also going to be using news aggregator and also some other sort of. But the best place I think we can use is actually Google Trends. So let us go to Google Trends, and then from Google Trends, I think this is it. So we are going to search for trending news. So let's see. As you can see, I'm in Nigeria, so these are the things that are trending. Let us go to trending now. So these are the things that are trending in Nigeria presently. We are going to see all of them. Search up now. Manchester United, Man City versus Manchester United FC lineup. This is really trending now. We have about 20k search volume and about 1000% impression about 7 hours ago, and it's still really going. So that's something that you can write on. We have Man U Dortmund and every of those things and all. So let us see for the past 48 hours. Let's see what is still trending. So now breaking news and whatever. So you can pick anything here. So since we have that, but I'm not going to do this. So let me check another country. So, and in this news channel, you can do anything, guys. You will be able to, put in any of you can do for any country. I get what I'm trying to say. I'm going to show you how to do for any country, that is to speak their language and communicate whatever it is you are seeing on your channel in their respective language. So let us go. So let's say I'm going to be using United States. I think United States have a very quite a lot of news that we can really talk about. I think those people, they are very newsful. Let me put it that way. There will always be something going on in that country. So let's see. We need to gather up. I'm only going to be using some. Okay, don't let me talk. Let's just continue. So we have Brazil plane crash presently. Is really trending. Really, Brazil plane crash. Okay, let us explore this. Brazil plane crash is trending. Then let's see what we're going to be doing. Wow, it's trending, and let us see if we're going to. Okay, so now this is it. We have it trending in the District of Columbia, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Washington, Florida, and all of this. So this is what we're going to do. Since we already see the term Brazil plane crash, we're going to copy it. Go to Google. So you search Brazil plane crash. So we're going to be seeing it, and this is it. I think we already have that now. And then we'll have look at news channel that is really talking about this. And then I think this is just 2 hours ago. let us see what really happened. I think that is what we're saying. So please follow every of these steps that I'm showing you, because this is really going to set you up for success. Okay, so we have Brazil authorities are investigating the cause of the fiery plane crash that killed 62. Okay, and the Brazil authority work. All right, so that is it. So what we need to do now, since we already have a news outlet that's really talking about this incident, then we need to go to our second tool, which is ChatGPT. So now, what would ChatGPT? All right, so now, since we already have our news outlet that is talking about this issue, so what do we need to do? We'll go to ChatGPT. I already have my ChatGPT opened up here, and ignore whatever it is you're seeing here. Okay, so let's see if I can. Okay, let me click on new chat. All right, hello ChatGPT. I gotta greet that guy, don't mind me. So now I want to give you a link. As you can see, I want to give you a link, and I would want you to write a video script using the content from the link. The link is a news channel, is a news website. So yes, Sisha, I can help you with that. Please go ahead and share me with the link. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'll click on this, come to, here is the link. Here is the link. The script should be in form of a news cast. All right, so that is all right. All right, so it said it looks like I'm unable to access the link. However, you can provide a brief summary or key details on the article, and I'll help you to craft a new script. Okay, now since this is the issue, so we can quickly come on the link on the website, copy everything majorly. Let me put it this way. So would look at it. Alright, so we look at it, we'll come here and come back to this. Let us give it and let us see. Said tragedy. He said, good evening, how are you? And this is your top story. Tragedy struck by the other. Now, so as you can see, this is this, and you can just tell it to expand on this. So as you can see, it's giving me a very good script and all. So I think let us just make do with this. All right, so let us just make use of this. I think we can still make use. Okay, copy. So now, since we've already copied the script now, what is the next thing that we need to do? Then we will need to create the video for this thing. So we are going to be using what we call Virbo AI by Wondershare. So virbo.wondershare.com, you're going to go to this place and create an account here. So I already have it. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Say generate AI video online. Do you understand? Just click on it and let's see what we're going to happen. So when I'm done creating, you just need to click on it. When I'm done creating, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so what do I need to do? So I will just click on sign in and log in. Okay, so that's it. Just skip guide. I already know what I want to do. So I already know what I want to do. Thank you. I've already signed in. As you can see, this is me. Okay, so I want to create a new video. So this is what's going to happen. So now what we need to do now is to actually pick our newscaster. We're going to be picking our model that is going to be helping us to read the news, obviously. So what we're going to do, so that's what we're going to do now. So let us see which of these people do you think is going to really I think I like Natalie Blogger. I think I like Natalie Blogger. All right, so I think I kind of like this guy. I'm sorry, this girl. What's her name? Natalie Blogger. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create video, and the video is being created right now. Let's wait. Okay, so the video is being created, and voila, we can really have it now. So since the video is correct, all right, so we already have this girl and is here. So welcome to Wondershare. So this is what we need to do. I think we're done. Let's see. All right, so this is now we need to really work on our background. That's the next thing we're going to be doing. Now there are two things that we can do. We're going to really probably use one of these background, or we can decide to design our own background. Do you get? So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be designing my own background for this video. Okay, so just hold on a bit. Let me quickly design the background, then I'll show you how to do it. All right, so I've been able to actually bring up very beautiful, like not really beautiful, this is not my best, really just quickly to really show you what is really going on. Okay, so you can of course explore and do a lot of things on your own. Okay, so we can just really put this girl, or probably we can put it, you can just put it here depending on what you really want. Okay, then why at this other side you can have a lot of things going on there. Do you understand? For example, you can start talking about what that thing is really, I don't know, whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so now we're going to be doing now. So the next thing we need to do now is to actually put in our script. So our script, well, what we just need to do, we'll go to ChatGPT and copy. Okay, we're going to copy this. All right, so come to Virbo again. Sorry, come to Virbo again. Then click here to this place, then paste. So what we just need to do now is to really edit out and all of it. So let's remove what is not needed. I think this is not really needed also. All right, so I think we are done, and this is what we just need to do. And let's see. Okay, I think everything looks good. Of course, subtitle will be on. Okay, so what we need to do, I think everything looks good. Okay, so we can just click on export. So the video is exporting. Let's wait while video exports. All right, so the video is done. What we just need to do is, let's see how it looks, and let's preview it. Let's preview the videos. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're covering a tragic story from Brazil that has shocked the world. A Voapass ATR-72 aircraft crashed in Benito, Sao Paulo, killing all 62 people on board. The plane was en route to Sao Paulo's Guarulhos airport when it suddenly spiraled into a...
Alright, I think that's okay. So what we just need to do now is to quickly just download, and then let's wait for the video to download. So when you're done, that is it. Okay, so that will be the end of the video, guys. And what you just need to do when you have the video downloaded on your channel, just take this video, put it on your channel, and you're going to be fine. Then you need to repeat this process over and over again to have a lot of views. If you can be posting like 2 or 3 of these videos a week, then you are on your way to success. If I've shown you value, please drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll be glad to answer every of your comments. And please do not forget to subscribe. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.